I'm Lauren DiMartino, and 2516 East Federal Street just set the bar for what a full renovation looks like in Baltimore City. If you've been waiting on a move-in ready home that's literally been touched up top to bottom, this is your sign. The moment you step inside, the attention to detail hits you immediately. The flooring, the cabinetry, the tile work, all of it chosen with care. These large windows in the living room space begin in natural light that gives the whole room a vibe you cannot manufacture. We're talking 3 large, very spacious bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and a kitchen with an island where new appliances are ready and waiting for you. In the location, we're right in the Broadway East community, 5 minutes from the 95 exit, 5 minutes from Johns Hopkins Hospital, and the waterfront. Whether you're commuting, working in healthcare, or just want a quick access to everything that Baltimore has to offer, you cannot beat this location. This up-and-coming neighborhood has more renovations happening as we speak. So the videos and pictures that you see here may actually not even be in that same condition whenever you arrive. So come out and take a look. Now that you've seen the property, come out and take a look, 2516 East Federal Street, and you can reach out to me directly, and I am happy to set up a showing for you. Again, I'm Lauren DiMartino, and thank you so much for coming along this journey with us. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for all the homes that are coming to the market as we speak. So I'll see you later.